Hello world! We have a constant struggle between feeling too much or feeling too late, between hope and defeat, between wanting to believe in love and fearing the reality of pain and loss. All we really have in life is what we carry inside of us, our thoughts, our feelings, our experiences, our beliefs. When you start experiencing love for yourself and the love you are capable of, you will experience a different kind of hope, the kind of hope that no one can take away from you because it is based on your faith in yourself, faith in the love within you. It is an awakening to your true potential and freedom from the fear and limitation that others have placed on you. You are the hope that you need. You are the love that you deserve. Now is the time to put faith in your greater self and be the person that you know that you can be. You don't know how much you can really love until you let another person open your heart. True love has no limits because true love has no fear. When two people love each other, they work together to remove the conditions that prevent love from growing, such as guilt, shame, jealousy, and insecurity. They not only help each other's heart to heal, but expand until every hurt, every wound has been wrapped in love and covered with forgiveness. Unconditional love is no longer a term you hear, what you create together. By Joel Clemons. On Anna's story, it said that everything is in your hands. Let the magic happen. On this story of Anna, tell us, Doc Chrissy, my love, wish the world may another year will be yours. Discover, conquer, grow, love, desire, be amazed, and live love you more than much. On this post of Anna with the caption, may you find the courage to let go of the need to convince others of your value, which is so true that I agree with you, Anna. Why had to convince them if in yourself you know how worthy you are, how valuable you are? This time, Anna said to us, today is self-care day. At Skincare Isabella Simbor, I train water in my body a lot, especially when I don't sleep much and travel a lot, which has been happening recently. Drainage causes skin to firm and smooth after the procedure, and there is no trace of accumulated water, would highly recommend.
Dzień dobry. Czas zadbania o ciało, nie tylko o umysł, ale i o ciało. Co dzisiaj robimy?
Robimy sobie zabieg endermologi. To masaż podciśnieniowy, który pozwala nam ujęzyć skórę, wygładzić pozbyć się celulitu, ale też nadmiernej tkanki tłuszczowej, która się gromadzi w niektórych miejscach na ciele, więc ujędrniamy, wygładzamy i upiększamy też skórę na ciele.
Chciałabym dodać, że ten zabieg jest bardzo przyjemny. Ja mam problem z zatrzymywaniem wody w organizmie. Jest to taka moja przypadłość w zależności od dnia i ten zabieg bardzo mi w tym pomoże. Bardzo Wam polecam. Ubieramy się w tak zwaną rajstopkę i możemy się zrelaksować.
Health tips of Anna. Do you remember when I wrote to you recently how I take care of myself from the inside? I changed the minds immediately, waking up, warm water, and green detox. This is my daily drink. I have been testing for many months. The quality of the product is top, and the result, they are spectacular when used on daily basis. The new Dolce & Gabbana Devotion perfume for men captivated many with its addictive blend of vanilla and radiant lemon in its first edition, followed by a pleasantly tropical and nutty twist in the intense version, now introduced men's fragrance. This new creation continues to celebrate Dolce & Gabbana's signature lemon while incorporating a distinct ristretto coffee accord, enhancing the fragrance with sophistication, style, and effortless charm. Dolce & Gabbana collaborated with master perfumer Oliver Cresp, who signed the composition to produce an insightful video that beautifully tells the story of this fragrance. In the video, Oliver described the type of lemon used, the inspiration behind the creation, and the vision that Dolce & Gabbana and their team had for how the coffee-infused scent should embody the brand essence. The fragrance opens with solar, luminous lemons that give way to an aromatic coffee note, which gradually settles into a dry, woody base. The composition remains illuminated by shimmering citruses, creating an elegant blend that pairs well with both a crisp dress shirt and a relaxed summer linen look. While designed as a masculine scent, it may also appeal to women who prefer fragrances without excessive sweetness, those who often skip vanilla-dominant composition but enjoy citrus woody blend with subtle herbal nuances, and a hint of smooth, creamy coffee, a relaxed, nice, and enjoyable blend. Good Day Paris, as to Mama Ruba's story, how the beauty of magnificent of Eiffel Tower. The Kids is with Nona Angela as Brando and Mama Ruba taking their video time. Is he laughing or crying that he missed his mother? Michele and his friend Andrea is at his studio this time in Melagnano. As Michele reposts a post photo of Blake Lively as to Blake caption it with "Final Austin round up for a simple favor. I know how fortunate I am to work with each of you. Thank you my friends and loved ones for making this weekend so special. Okay, back to sweatpants now. That was fun." You are perfect. You never make mistakes. The praise Michele Morone, the meaning, it's from a fan of Michele. Oh, Michele, who is she? I guess she is a fan of yours. Oh, the baby is so preciously cute. Who is the mother of the baby, Michele? As to what Michele on his story, it's vacation time. I wish all have a vacation time. Good relaxation as you take your vitamin C, Michele. Nice and nice. He's taking his vacation in Palermo. Are you with whom on your vacation, Michele? Michele's story, look closely at the back of his arm. It's a leg of a woman, as I see based on the shoes and the shape of the leg. You take your hair grooming and you color it. On Michele's story, for a dear friend of him, it said that in 2018 I was left homeless and penniless. Without thinking, you took me to your house. I lived with you for a whole year. You helped me when life stopped smiling at me. Today you leave and I will never forget the good, the laughter, our chats, and your unconditional desire to live. It pissed me off writing these words. I hate it. I dedicate to you the song that we like to listen to together, the soundtrack of our friendship, the song that made us laugh and dream. I love you forever and ever. Thanks, Piggy. Here's one of their unforgettable chat that Michele shared on his story. It's been 6, 7 months? I don't know. I want to thank you for what you have done for me, for the huge help you have given me. I haven't been an easy roommate. I know, gypsy, messy, and dirty. But I have you in my heart and I will be indebted to you for what you have done. I love you with all my heart and I'm really happy for heaven. Thanks, my friend Mickey. In the other chat that his friend said, Mickey, it's me who has to apologize to you. I have told you, you are messy, gypsy, and a bit dirty, but you are my friend Michele. And when I came to take advantage of the villas, the boats, and the 916, because at least you will buy off the 458, I will make you pay for them all. I love you too, and this is just the beginning, because you will have a great future, my friend. Because you are a good soul, and I can think that the best will always be for you. As Michele can say, I don't forget it. I don't forget it. Story, he played a music of Zbigniew Preisner, a Polish film score composer, best known for his work with the film director Kieślowski. He is the recipient of the Gold Medal for Merit to Culture, Gloria Artis, as well as the Knight's Cross of the Order of Polonia Restituta. He is a member of the French Film Academy. Preisner composed the theme music for The People's Century, a monumental 26-part documentary made jointly in 1994 by the BBC television network in the United Kingdom and the FBS television network in the United States. He also worked with director Thomas Vinterberg. He provided orchestration for David Gilmour's, at which he also conducted the Baltic Philharmonic Orchestra in his new recording project, a large-scale work for orchestra, choir, and soloists based on text from the Book of Job. On this post of Michele with the caption, "The flower, the anger, November and the blood are still making love and war at the same time inside me. Don't cry, poor gypsy. Look at the moon and be moved by its beauty. Let yourself drown into the ocean of life and shot bullets of love into your heart. Keep tattooing the mysteries of life on yourself, because in the end, as long as you breathe, you will continue to suffer and love. There's nothing to do, you brainless drunk." Now let's analyze the message. Based on some fans, it's a message for Moira. Cause look back on what is on November 10. In one of a fans, she said that it's more of a kind of a farewell to Moira. November, when they officially got together. The flowers that Michele threw into the water, the blood and anger, could mean the many fights and possible physical mistreatment. But it could also mean that while they were together, they were both damaged mentally. The word gypsy is also a strong reference to Moira's origin. The rest is to stop crying, live your life, get tattoos, all of those are just so that Moira can move on, because if she doesn't, she will only suffer. Michele say goodbye as she is, but at the same time, he presents Moira as an obsessive, crazy woman who can't move on. All of the word of this fan of Michele, well said on how she discussed the message correctly. The meaning, for my opinion, all is true. Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button, share this video to others, and please subscribe on my channel. Day 75 of the 365 days of 2025. A message to all. Men in a relationship with an independent woman often find it a challenge to know how to connect with, support, and love her in a way that strengthens the bond. We often struggle with balancing our masculine energy, instinct, and ego that tell us that we need to be the hunter, provider, protector, and leader. Our confidence and sense of security is tied into feeling needed. A man can love an independent woman and still feel like a man by no longer accepting what he's been programmed to believe about male and female roles and seeing her as his equal partner in life. By admiring her strength and courage and giving her the respect, acceptance, and trust that she's earned and deserved. Trust is what unlocks the door to her heart. Consistency is what keeps the door open. And the more that you show that you trust her, the more she will want to reward that trust. A loving relationship is not based on dependency, control, or deception. It's built on a foundation of mutual love, trust, and respect. A strong woman wants to be with a strong man who doesn't live in fear, but lives in love. If you want to love an independent woman, then you need to be an independent man. A man who is not afraid of being vulnerable with his feelings and confidence enough to let her come to him when she wants him. If you stop trying to make her need you, she will show you how much she wants you. By Joel Clemons.